Sky Vision Tower, a precious piece of luxury, a place where you live closer to your heart's desire. Sky Vision Tower is conveniently located at the most happening place in Sangli in front of Bapat Mall, where railway station, market yard, ST stand, petrol pump and D-Mart are in close proximity. Sky Vision Tower, a 9-story project, is a collection of 16 3 BHK and 24 2 BHK flats, offering a leisure living with modern facade is an iconic experience of prosperity. The well-designed retail area is on the ground floor to host the local brands to meet all your shopping and other needs. The grand entrance welcomes you to the world of Sky Vision Tower. The parking enters in the basement with a good profile ramp down. Corporate office spaces on the first floor are meant for those who chase their dreams into reality. The Sky Vision Tower is the only iconic structure with the best location and amenities. A beautifully designed grand entrance lobby welcomes you, ensuring a top-notch standard of living which leads to the staircase and the lift that connects to the upper levels. Sky Vision Tower provides you with meticulously designed 3 BHK and 2 BHK flats. Each and every room has been designed with aesthetical perfections and modern standard of living that blends with your day-to-day comfort. The rooms are blessed with ample light and air with balcony at the side and a lovely view of Bapat Mall. Let us take a look at the deluxe 3 BHK apartment having a lavishly crafted living room which creates the perfect environment for a blooming life. State-of-art kitchen area makes sure that you enjoy your happy times with your loved ones. A spaciously designed master bedroom ensures a sound sleep to rejuvenate the body and the soul, providing an ultimate peace of mind. The comfort design of guest bedroom ensures a peaceful stay for the guest. The 2 BHK apartments are equally designed with high-end specifications, having a lavish living room where all your requirements are fulfilled. The kitchen and the dining area gives a perfect cooking environment. The master bedrooms serve a space for peaceful and sound sleep. The children's bedrooms are enchanted indeed. The eco-friendly amenities have been provided on the terrace floor. Heavenly terrace garden creates a sense of tranquility and the beautiful serenity to have a soothing evening with your loved ones. The aesthetically designed Ganesha temple is to channel your inner peace, and the senior citizen area for a harmony with Mother Nature. Spacious lawns and children's play area with swings, slides and many different games in game zones are profoundly provided over the terrace. Unwind yourself to experience Sky Vision Tower's expansive multi-purpose hall. Get your pulse pumping in the gymnasium and work out to sweat. Rejuvenate at the yoga center and feel relaxed like never before. Celebrate every moment and experience the serene lifestyle at the Sky Vision Tower. Now, it's time to live your dream. Own your dream house at the Sky Vision Tower, where a beautiful life awaits you.